We'll guide you through how to change the date format in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in an Excel file, and you can go and see I've got some dates here. And so what I want to do is go and change the dates in column B from column A. As you can see there in one format, I want these to be in a different one. So what we need to do is go and select the dates you want to do this with by clicking, holding and dragging like so. Now right click and you want to go and find the option for format cells. You'll go and get this pop up. Now come over to the left and you want to go and find the option for custom, and then you can come into type at the top here. Now what you want to do is go and type in how you want it to be. So we can go and type in, for example, mm-dd-yy. That's the format I want. You could have slash instead, and you can change the order of these as well. Then when you're ready, you can go and press OK, and there we go. We've now gone and changed the format. It's that straightforward. Then please consider subscribing and liking the video.